So you want to know how to fix Facebook two-factor authentication email not arriving. Here's how you can fix it under a minute. So to fix missing Facebook two-factor authentication, you need to first check your spam or junk folders, because sometimes what happens is automated security emails from Facebook are incorrectly flagged and could be potentially in the spam. If that doesn't work, sometimes email delivery is delayed, so request a new code after 5 to 10 minutes. Also, try to verify the email address linked to your Facebook account is correct and you've entered the right email. And if nothing works, then simply go ahead and restart your phone. And then when you open it, head to your settings, head to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and then click on reset network settings, and it should go ahead and work. If that also doesn't work, the final thing you can actually do is just use a different browser or device. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.